Right then guys, we're back on the big matches, the OUSE Championships today. I'm more than looking forward to getting down there, having a bit of crack with the lads. Dom, Mick and Roy are all down there waiting for me to draw a peg, so let's get down there, see what we can do, shall we? Where are we bagging?
106.
You're 106?
Yeah, it's only a short walk, Mick says.
6 pegs in if it's 100, isn't it? That'll be one of them.
Yeah, you think yours is bad? I've got 126.
Have you?
Yeah. Yeah.
What have you got then?
38.
There's a bend at Palace.
Oh, we're all off the popper and
I
then.
fished that River Mouse's won it. Yeah, that's the same peg.
136?
126.
Alright.
Yeah, but if you fish it properly, don't
I'll
forget.
only be down road from each other then. Yeah, that's where I think that's where I won it from that year.
39 is the one.
Right on that bend.
One hour match out of.
Because there was a big space between you and next person, wasn't there? Because there aren't many pegs around that bend.
No.
Do you know? So you might do alright out there.
I'm sure that's the peg I had when you came to see me.
Where are
Right opposite the Palace.
Not you? Yeah. Bagging. Steady on down here. Oh, you've got some steps. Nice. Platforms underwater though. Yeah, just throw down there.
Was that a fish?
Yeah.
That's all you want to do where that crease is.
Yeah.
Catching it.
It doesn't look too bad, you know. For bagging, this is perfect, this.
Got a nice little crease and it's slack there, isn't it?
Yeah. Right then guys, here we go. Peg 116, big long walk. Dom's got an even further walk, man. He's 136 right down there. Literally, you can see them power lines in the background. He's heading towards them. But yeah, looks like a decent peg. Inside of a bend, flows right over there. Bit of slack water down here. Hopefully some fish might be lingering in it. Let's get set up and do some bagging, shall we? Let's go. First fish. Chub. How about that? Still chub. Come on. It's in there. Boom. Now my first cast, I cast near enough middle at river. And it just towed right round here, absolute nightmare. So brought it back about a metre and it's just sitting perfect out there. Go again then. Just dumping a bit of bait in for now. See what happens. Actually there. Got to trace it down to the bottom. Bang. Plop her on there. Now she does take a minute to settle and I got that bite straight away. It was just like that. It was bent round and then it just looks like the feed is settling, but it was a bite and I struck at it and that chub was but that's a good sign. We found a fish. We'll fill that line up with bait. So if we look at an overview of this, you can just see that it's just on a bend as it comes round here. We're on the inside of it. And that should be prime for a couple of fish. Right then guys, so we're 3 hours in and we're 3 fish in. I've had a tommy that I didn't even know was on, and a roach that I didn't even know was on, only babbies, and that chub, and that's your lot. Struggling for bites. River is proper towing through, like absolute even through down here. You aren't throwing it anywhere near the middle. I'm fishing this little bit of slack water in front of me, man. There just doesn't seem to be any fish in it. Nightmare. Dom's 10 pegs that way, which doesn't sound far, but it's literally about half a mile away. And he's had a bream and a skimmer for maybe £5. Hopefully he can get a couple more. He might be in with a section win or something. Decent. Hopefully I can get one as well. Jeez, it's been a while since we've fished a decent match like this. And so far, the worst session we've had this year yet. I have had double figure bags every session I have fished this year. It's a rising river. It's coming up until maybe, I think, 5 o'clock this afternoon, and then it plateaus a bit and starts going back down tomorrow. But I never ever like fishing rising rivers. Falling rivers get me there, but rising rivers are just a nightmare. You have to be in certain pegs to be on the fish because they just shelter away from all this flow. It's too much hard work for them, man. They aren't going to be out there. They're going to be sat somewhere where it's slack and there's a bit of food to eat, and it doesn't look like that's our peg today. But we've got a good few hours yet, so... As you rang me there, I just caught this roach. Decent roach. I might have over £1 now. What you had?
Just a BREAM, 2 skimmers now.
Yeah?
Yeah, I've not had a bite for ages. I was just about to put brolly up. Went it back, turned around, rod's bending in half, man.
Yeah, well, I went for a pee about 20 minutes ago, just before it rain started, and had a bite for an hour. I'm in the middle of my pee. I look round, rod's bouncing. I've grabbed the rod, there's out there. I thought, well, that's just typical, innit? As soon as I do something else. Right then, guys, so into the last 10 minutes of the match. I've had like 10 to 14 ounce, something like that, so we're probably going to throw it back unless I catch them at decent within the next 10 minutes. But our Dominic, the bagger that he is, has actually managed to catch quite a few bream, so we're going to go down there and weigh him in. Let's go and have a look, shall we? You bagged up? Yeah? Not really, yeah. A few. I'm just going to go see what he's had now. Go right down here though.
I know he's right down there, yeah.
Nightmare. Can walk that. Is that bream slime all of it net, yeah?
Got £10 loser.
That's a £6-pounder, innit? Look at that. That could be your PB, man. What's your PB?
Oh, about 6.
That's £6.6 right there. You've got over £10. Have to have.
My dad's got about £8.
Has he?
He's lost 2 and all
Never.
since I told him how to fish.
No way. You bagged up?
Yeah, I've had about £18, mate.
Have you?
Yeah,
Good day.
good day. Yeah.
What you been bagging on?
Got them all on worm, had them. I had one on live maggot,
Yeah.
just on worm. Yeah.
Good day.
I know some other people couldn't get a bite on worm.
Yeah,
It's
mad innit? Yeah.
crazy, isn't it?
You've done alright with that. There's only a £15 down there.
Yeah, I know. No, there's a 44.
Oh, Clinton.
Yeah, that's wraps me.
Is that what he had? Yeah.
Yeah, 44.
He said he had 12.
You'll have match. Yeah, I reckon.
Probably, yeah.
Yeah. How you done, Dom? Yeah,
17.8.
yeah, good weight. Okay. You might be in overall there, though. Yeah. What you had?
Oh, a pound. Threw it all back.
Really?
Just
Yeah.
roach and that. I couldn't buy a bite. Ridiculous it was.
I didn't get
Yeah.
a fish till 12 o'clock.
No, it took me 2 hours to get a bite. Hard work, innit? And then we rocked up in the last hour.
Yeah.
We were rolling in front, I thought I'm going to bag up here. It's like and it just didn't really happen.
Nightmare, innit?
Yeah.
Yeah, I just couldn't get into them today.
Yeah.
Worst day I've had this year.
Is it?
Yep. How about that? Right then guys, so unfortunately the video ends there. Somehow I have accidentally managed to delete the last 45 minutes of this match. Dom's weigh-in, everything, absolute nightmare. I'm so fastidious about this stuff, so it's really annoyed me that I've managed to do that. But anyway guys, it's the next day. Dom's managed to finish 11th out of 130 people. Amazing result with £13.8. Beautiful stuff. You saw a couple of those fish that he showed me there. The winner was £44.5. Absolute great day from that guy. So yeah guys, there's another match next Sunday. We're probably going to jump on that. Smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye. Thanks for watching the video guys. If you enjoyed it, I'd really appreciate you going down below, smashing that like button. Also, maybe consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next episode.